Hey Jerome, what are you doing right now? Adrian. Nothing is here.
He is just ghosting you.
Damn.
And they bust on my eyes, they eat my ass just like apple pie. If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They pop my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum starts dripping. I took a bite of his ass, it tastes like lemon pepper chicken. He throw me up in the air, my booty flipping. He ducking his balls in my booty like he's Scottie Pippen. Met the nigga last night, then I rolled his dick like a bike. He's so thick, he looks like the dyke, but that's okay, cause I think his name's Mike Jordan. He fucked me while recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest news I've received. I love when I receive 3 big balls. Just like we playing tennis. He got a big dick. I think his name Dennis. I jerked his dick till that nigga finish. And his dick big and green. It tastes just like spinach. Dude. I love when they send me all the news. I had to make a nut because his balls were blue.
I swear to fucking God.
He sliding in and out my ass like it's cleaning out gutter. Dick bigger than a stick of butter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gay. We like dick. And I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fuck my butt till I sit.
Let's go, dude. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Bro, I wish you luck at attempting to beat it.
Oh my fucking God. It's a
W.
fucking miracle. I thought I'd never see the light of day.
Let's go, dude.
Fuck this level, dude. Fuck this level.
Let's
Fuck
go, bro.
this level. Fuck this level.
W.
Fuck this level.
W.